Hi everybody, today I decided to show you guys how I get ready to take Instagram photos, which seems so lame, but that just involves makeup and trying on outfits, so I thought it'd be fun. Before we get into this video, I want to say thank you so much to Nordstrom for sponsoring this video. They are currently promoting their clean beauty products. As you can see, I have a few clean beauty products from Nordstrom that I have quickly integrated into my everyday routine. I'm super into just a natural glowy look for Instagram and every day. This stuff is so good. Nordstrom has beauty brands. Buying online is super easy with free shipping, free returns. Buy online, pick up in store. Also, I wanted to say that Nordstrom aims to recycle 100 tons of beauty packaging by 2025, and they'd love to help you move forward a zero-waste beauty routine. Nordstrom accepts a wide variety of empty containers that will be recycled for eventual reuse. Find collection bins in the beauty department at a Nordstrom or a Nordstrom local near you. So, as you could tell, my routine is really simple. Adding hoop earrings is always a must, and I always finish it off with a lip gloss. All the products will be linked down below, so make sure to check out that description box and check out Nordstrom's Clean Beauty. Let's get into picking out an outfit because this is the most fun to me. I actually recently deleted Instagram and I only keep it now to post, and it made me so much more inspired not seeing anybody else's stuff. So I'm showing you that these little kitten heels I'd probably wear realistically, but sometimes it's about what photographs better, and these zebra print boots definitely will photograph better. I obviously like the outfit, I'm taking a photo in it. And then this hat is also one of those things where it's like, it might not photograph as well, but I really liked it, so I kept it on because I'd wear it in real life. Look at that outfit. I love this outfit. Very 70s. I think if I went to Coachella, this would be something I would wear, like so chill. It feels like it feels like a music festival kind of look. And there I am, struggling to get the boots off again. Now I want to style this knit skirt, and I don't know what I was thinking. I wanted to put this like track jacket with it. That's so ugly. Good thing I figured it out. So then I tried this denim vest that I thrifted, and I look like a kindergarten teacher that everybody loves. You know, I like that look, but it wasn't what I was going for. So I tried like adding the cowboy boots, but I still felt like a first grade or kindergarten teacher. So then I added this t-shirt. I'm so into a baggy graphic tee right now. I don't know why, but it's absolutely everything to me. And this outfit's so cute. I want to wear it ASAP, and I'm so fine with taking an Instagram photo in something and then re-wearing it and maybe getting another Instagram photo in it. If you couldn't tell, I love wearing pieces more than one way because it shows that I'm normal and I don't have an endless supply of clothes, and I rewear my clothes like absolutely crazy. Okay guys, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was kind of fun not talking to the camera this whole video and just doing a voiceover. It makes me want to keep filming and not just like stop and be tired because I get to blast my music and just try on clothes like I love to do. So let me know if you guys liked this setup. Remember to check out the description box to check out all the products I use to get ready for Instagram photos. Thank you again to Nordstrom for sponsoring this video. I had a lot of fun filming this video, and I haven't had fun filming a video in kind of a bit. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you the absolute most. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to, and I will see you in a few days. Bye.